Oh, that's fun. They do okay?
Yeah, I walk them all the time at dog parks, but we just meet dogs through the fence. This is the first time we actually let them.
I guess Ralphie's kind of the same. His sister's paraplegic, and so he has trouble walking on a leash because he likes to be like her. I don't know, there's like a weird sympathetic thing going on. So we're usually like dog stroller.
Aww.
He's been here once before, but I'm usually just carrying him. But I could put it down. You got it. I'm close by. You know I am. Everyone seems very well behaved. Here comes Seamus.
Good girl.
You having fun? There comes Sophie. Good girl, Sophie. You drinking the water? Yeah.